back to my channel, Adventures with Amirah. This is day 2 of our cruise on the Disney Dream, and we have just docked into Nassau, Bahamas. We got up about 7:30 this morning and we still had not arrived yet, so they must have slowed down a little bit overnight. We went ahead and got up and had breakfast over at Royal Palace this morning. They do breakfast from 8 to 9:30. I think Cabanas, which is the buffet, is open until 10. If you guys are late risers, you can get that, or you can order room service, which is 100% free on the Disney cruise. I think the only thing you pay for on ship is like bottled water or if you want alcohol. But other than that, everything else is free. And they do have room service available 24 hours a day from what one of the servers told me. We haven't ordered it yet this cruise, but our breakfast this morning was amazing. As you can see, the water is back there behind me on that side, and then I'll show you a few more things along the dock here. That's Royal Caribbean ship right across from us. That is the Freedom of the Seas. And you can see there where we pulled into this port. It's a gorgeous day here. I love the different colors of blue out there in the ocean. I'm so excited to get started on this day. I don't think we're gonna do a beach excursion today. We're gonna wait and go tomorrow and just go to Castaway Cay. But today we'll walk around and maybe we'll try to get on the aqueduct this evening. We are pulled up next to a Royal Caribbean ship, which I think we passed in the middle of the night. It was interesting because probably about 11:30 p.m. they were just parked in the ocean, not moving, so we saw them in the distance and we passed them. So maybe they just stop for a while and then come in the mornings, and we just kind of go slowly through the night. I'm not really sure how that works. If anybody knows, tell me in the comments down below. I'm interested to find out. But our servers are amazing here. Our crew that they've assigned to us that moves with us from each restaurant throughout each day are just wonderful. They found us this morning, even though we weren't assigned to a Royal Palace. We went and they found us sitting there, and they just came and started, you know, taking over for the servers that were in that section. They're just so nice. Our maitre d' is Ismet from Turkey, and he is wonderful. He's done such a great job so far. Just so incredibly considerate in trying to make sure our family, we do have 2 of us with one specific allergy to fava beans, and they have them in a lot of recipes on this boat. So they're always making sure that they're doing the food without anything that's touched fava beans, which is so nice. They actually have a separate area of the kitchen that they cook for. They cook all the foods, I guess, for people with allergies, so that's just amazing. But as I said, we're in Nassau now. We're gonna debark in a little bit, and we're gonna go out and go to Parliament just because we're interested in the history of the island. Go see a few things like that. We've been here many times, but we haven't done that because the kids were younger and we just did different types of excursions. So today I'll just be kind of walking through the city, and I'll take you guys with me. I'll show you the rest of the walkway to get out of the port now, and then we'll head out soon. This morning we're at the Royal Palace, and they come around and they give you different little options for bread before your breakfast gets here. They have rolls and muffins, and I have this bran muffin here because I'm going to take this with us when we debark later on to go into Nassau. They also just updated us on our app that they're requiring face coverings today in Nassau. I don't know if something must have changed in the last few days. Maybe they have an increase in COVID numbers, but we do have to wear masks in any part of the Bahamas, including outdoor areas in Nassau. So I was glad they updated us before we got off the ship. We're waiting on breakfast now, and I will show you guys that and what we all ordered in a few minutes.
We do a photo like this. You take it. Oh.
Oh, I got the fried eggs with bacon, and we have white toast coming. My daughter had grits that came separate, and they requested turkey bacon, but they went upstairs to Cabanas and got it for us. So that was nice of them to go up there and get it for us. there's Atlantis off in the distance. Want to be in the video?
Bonnet, Davis, Logan, they were all here. It is said that when a pirate slept, turned to new problems. This was their paradise.
How you doing? Thank you.
Quite good, actually.